of an engine whose magic makes her more powerful than Diesel will ever be. That's why he wants to find her.
Then we'd better find her first.
Leave it to the big engines, Percy.
Little engines can do big things, especially when they have nice blue paint like me.
Hey, just watch what happens to that blue puffball.
When Harold the Flopper Chopper flies past you.
Right?
Routine flyby, chaps. Hello!
The boss dumped sneezing powder everywhere.
Let's start laughing now.
Oh, sorry, Fruits. Bit of a dust-up. Love to stay and clean up. Got to go. Bye now!
Did you mean to look like that?
No.
Neither did I.
This must be Diesel's doing. Choo! Choo!